you're my passenger.
Speak English. Now in the middle of this, it's considered good luck. Burgos Street, the junction with Makati Avenue. What?
Yes, it's okay.
This is clean, right? Yeah.
Yes, it's clean.
Okay. Yeah, it's fine. If you tell me it's clean, it's okay. Yeah, it's fine. Don't need to overdo it. Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to drop you at the...
Yeah, anywhere in the area is fine, you know? Okay. Gorgeous. Oh, there's a jeepney.
They call us habal-habal.
Habal-habal.
Yes, you know, it's illegal here because we don't have any franchise.
Oh yeah, no license.
No license.
No nothing.
But no, we have insurance.
Oh, you do?
Because you're my passenger.
All right.
I have
yeah.
TPL.
Yeah.
Third party liability.
Ah, yeah, right. I'm just a regular passenger, right?
Yeah.
I'm not a fare-paying passenger.
Yeah.
It's very nice of you to give me this ride for free. No fare. I'm joking.
Joking.
My driver is telling me that many people are vlogging here
Yeah.
because they make lots of money educating the diamond community. That's okay.
Educating, making fun.
We're just having a bit of fun together doing this.
You ask the guard there, where is the bus going to Venice? That's the great, beautiful part of BGC.
Venice. Oh yeah, that's the part I've heard about.
Yeah.
Yeah, my friend told me to go there.
Yeah. Like
Check it out.
we are in the other country.
Yeah. So do you just work for yourself, or you're just kind of freelance?
I'm a freelance.
Ah,
I
cool.
called it habal-habal.
I guess we must be approaching the BGC now. I'm seeing a JP Morgan Chase building, so maybe that's significant. The Unilever building. So we must be in a pretty heavily commercial district. Ahead I see St. Luke's Medical Center. This is it, is it? This BGC? Bonifacio Global City.
I'm going to drop you there.
Okay.
And then you can start vlogging down.
Okay, so over here.
Yeah, to the planetarium, then they call it the planetarium.
Okay, and my guy's going to drop me over here to the right.
And then you go straight ahead to the left, straight ahead, that they call that High Street.
High Street?
Yes.
That's where I should head, is it? High Street?
High Street. And then there's a lot of classy food, department stores.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll go check out High Street.
High Street. Bonifacio High Street.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. My account on YouTube? Yes, sure, I'm going to try and post this. I'm a bit slow about posting, but I'll try and get it up. So the name is Broker Basil. That's B-R.
You type it here.
There it is. Oh, sorry.
Broker Basil.
See what comes up when we do that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, that's it.
That's you? Okay.
Yeah, that's me.
Nice meeting you. My name is Gary.
Okay, Gary.
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you. Thanks for the ride.
Thank you.
You were going to give me your number. You want to give me your number?
Yes, I'm going to give you my number if you want.
So this is Gary Hernandez. He's putting in his messenger account for me so I can call him later if I want to use him again. Okay, thank you, Gary.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day. That's Gary, my motorcycle taxi, freelance motorcycle taxi. Nothing like a mild little scam there. So the taxi, the motorcycle taxi that dropped me off here, I neglected to ask him which direction I could walk in to get to the Venice Canal place. So I asked a few grab riders there, and of course one of them offered to take me on his motorcycle. So given that I've already been dropped off as closely as I think I can by a motorcycle, I can only assume he was going to take me around the block a few times and charge me a fare, and then maybe drop me off on the other side of this Venice, as they say, canal. Anyway, no worries, it's all part of the game. Love it. And the Venice area should be around here somewhere. Hopefully we'll find it soon. It's a tall building. Oh, I just passed the Shangri-La Hotel in Manila. At the fort. It says Shangri-La Hotel at the fort. Ah, here's somebody. Excuse me, sir. Do you think, tell me where the Venice, am I saying it correctly? The Venice Canal is? Speak English? Unfortunately, I didn't get her on camera, but this lady just walked by. Even though she was wearing a mask, I see she was smiling. I guess she was mildly amused. Oh crap, somebody's already stolen my Philippines URL. And we are at 1 Bonifacio High Street. So we're going to walk this way. We're hoping to get close to somewhere called a wet market, which I was advised not to go through in case I might be robbed. But I'm ultimately trying to get to the Venice Canal Mall, I believe it's called. Yeah, here we are. I guess we are at Bonifacio High Street, and we're going to continue going this way. Moments, not things. That's very good advice for all people in this world. Treasure the moments, not the things. So in Manila, we have this mover parking. And movers seem to be a combination of bicycles and these electric scooters. I used an electric scooter just like this in Phuket in Thailand. It was called Beam there, but exactly the same operation. Charged on the time you use it for. Quite reasonable for short journeys. Kitty cat. Maybe she's one of the luckier ones. She'll probably get some food around here. Ah, this is one of those drink places that dispense the drink through the tiger's mouth with lots of smoke antics. Seem to remember. Sorry, I don't feel like ordering a drink right now. Otherwise, I would demo it for you. So that sign says Moto Street, but I believe we're still walking through 1 Bonifacio. This is the direction we're heading and continue to head. Eventually, I believe, we will hit the apparently dangerous wet market. None of the opulence here look particularly dangerous. Yeah, this is one store I was not necessarily expecting to find in Manila, in the Philippines, but there you have it. It's really beautiful Lamborghinis. Orange, red, and behind we have a white one. We are on 11th Avenue, just came out of 1 Bonifacio in BGC. Oh my gosh, and next door we have some Porsches. Must be a special part of town. It's all part of Audi Global City, I see. Okay. Wow, and a Bentley too. This was news to me. I didn't realize that Audi owned Lamborghini or Bentley. I knew they were associated with Porsche, but I guess it's all part of the Audi empire now. Bentley, Porsche, and Lamborghini. So we're still making our way down 11th Avenue, and we are still in Bonifacio Global City. This is kind of an open area here. A couple of buildings in the distance. And we're headed in this direction. Well, I'm still making my way down what is really a continuation of 11th Avenue. And I was in a very kind of upmarket commercial area, but now I'm going by this area which is definitely on the other side of the tracks, as it were. Yet we are heading to what is a very upmarket shopping center, the Venice Canal Mall, as far as I know. So this is all kind of interesting juxtaposition, or whatever we would use to describe it. There's a rooster over there somewhere. This is the middle of Manila in the BGC. Now, in the middle of this, and I don't want to be disrespectful by calling it a slum, but it has that kind of look about it, is this modern looking white building in the center of the frame right now. It just rises out of everything around it. I guess in time all of this area will change. Has to. But let's continue our way. Just in front of that white building I mentioned. Kids will always be kids. Group of kids down there just playing in this open area. So they have a basketball court set up. Yeah, basketball is big here in the Philippines, I think. Oh, is that volleyball more like they're playing now? No net though. Okay, we just had a ride in a jeepney. Thank you, everyone. I just saw it coming and it seemed like it was going in the right direction, so I jumped in and just saved myself a little walk, but really it was more for the pleasure of jumping in the jeepney that I did it than the walk that I saved, because here is McKinley Hill, and I think the lady in the jeepney was motioning to me that I need to go up. Maybe I go up here to get to the Venice Mall, but I know I'm close now, so no problem. It's all part of the adventure. Got another jeepney below me there. So we have this McKinley Hill here. That is supposed to be close to where I'm going, but I still don't know which direction I should go. Okay, I'm gonna guess it's up this hill. Let's see. There's the sign for McKinley Hill. I'm gonna go this way. Maybe these two ladies would know. Let's see. Do you know if this is Venice Mall?
Venice Mall?
Yeah. This way. Right, Kapkan. Thank you. It's still saying Kapkan Cap. I mean to say thank you. National entry. Okay. Let's do it. I guess this must be a somewhat upmarket housing development, maybe. It's called McKinley Hill Village. We're going to continue towards where we hope we will find the Venice Canal Mall. Well, we just walked by the Korean International School of the Philippines. Come from that direction, McKinley Hill. We're hoping to find the Venice Canal Mall. So I just confirmed with those two ladies, the Venice Grand Canal Mall is further along this road. We just happen to be walking by. I guess this is a condo pool. There seems to be quite a bit of residential space around here. A bit more, shall we call it, secure residential. Yet again, more, shall we call, secure residential buildings. This one's called Tuscany at McKinley Hill. And the locals. Nice. Hey guys. I guess it's kind of true what I heard about Filipinos being quite happy and quite keen to be on video, and they embrace the idea, say hello, etc. Cheer, happy, laugh. Where is this mall? Tree pruning going on here. Well, there's a hopeful sign at the junction of Maple and Upper McKinley. Sunset Market Mercado at McKinley Hill, Venice, Piazza. Just when you thought there couldn't be any more, this McKinley Hill is quite an expansive area. Ah, I spotted straight ahead. You may not be able to see it yet, but it does say Venice Piazza. Those railings. It's like a potential Instagram spot down there, but we are continuing on to where we see the sign for Venice Piazza. right here in front of us. Okay, I really do hope this is not going to be a massive disappointment, but you have to be ready for everything in life. I've already had one disappointment in the last day or two, so... Here we are, we've kind of made it to Venice Piazza. Now what? There has to be more than this. Okay, I just asked the lady, she said there is something more than this, but she's not sure herself. Let's see. So if you touch the right boob, it's considered good luck. Why not, I say. I'm trying out the Grab app here in the Philippines for the first time. Appears to work, but the taxi is certainly taking a while. I'm waiting here at the Venice Piazza.